Never ceases to amaze me what you find sometimes with different cars. As you can see, this is a rear sway bar. It's actually broken out of the body, and the bushes themselves aren't that worn, but you can see just how much movement is in them, and this is how it came out of the car. The whole thing is that it's as I say, the bushes are not that worn, but there is so much movement here. I'll come down to the other end, and here we are again. Without the clamp on it, you can clearly see there is a lot of movement in there, and there really shouldn't be that much. There's the bush. Bit hard to see, but seriously, there is not that much movement in it or wear in it. There's a little bit, but it has been used, so you would expect that. So just another thing that you find when you're working on some of these older cars. Quite amazing, really.